What's up, Peak Timer? Today we're gonna do an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels 50 pack. That's right, 50 brand new cars. I have no idea which ones are inside. So let's go ahead, open it up, and get a close-up look at all the cars that are inside. I believe these are shorty cards. So we'll leave them just like that. They are shorty cards by the looks of it. There we go. All right. I have no idea what's in here. We'll back that up a little bit. And let's just start pulling them out one by one, and we'll see what we have inside. First one we have is the Fangster. Fangster, that's an interesting one. I'm actually gonna move this back here so we can get a little bit closer look at it. There we go, Fangster. There we are. And next up we have 69 Dodge Charger 500. I really like this black one. That's a really nice one. Then we have the 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon. We've got the Muscle Bound, one of the coolest fantasy castings as of late. We've got T-Rex Troyer. We've got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Ooh, I like this one. The Indy 500 Oval. We've got Surf and Turf. Next up, we've got a Bubble-Matic. And just slipping out right there is the Track Manga. Then we've got the Wheelie Chair. Very fun casting. Then we've got the 87 Dodge D100. Next up, we've got Octane. Then we've got Moto Wing. After that, we have the 1967 Jeepster Commando. 2010 Camaro SS, and this is the Hot Wheels PD variation. Next, we've got the 1971 Ford Mustang Funny Car. We've got the Corvette Z06 convertible C7. We've got the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Custom Ford Maverick in red. Very nice. We've got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. We've got the 1968 Chevy Nova Gulf Edition. Motosaurus. Indy 500 Oval. 2016 Camaro SS. We've got Rig Heat. Next up, we've got the 1965 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Very cool art cars variation. We've got the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR in white. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Nissan Fairlady Z. Dodge Charger Stock Car. Kick Karts. Track Ripper, one of my favorite new fantasy castings. Ducati 1199 Panigale. 72 Ford Ranchero. Track Manga. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Dune Daddy. Carbonator. (2018) Copo Camaro SS. The Hollinator. Electrac. Evil Weevil. Crescendo. 1992 Ford Mustang Super Treasure Hunt. I'm just kidding, guys. As you can tell, this is a long card. I just planted it there. I'm just joking. But it would be fun if we did get some Super Treasure Hunts included in 50 packs. I've not found one ever in a 50 pack, though. Hologram. Rise and Climb. Solar Reflex. Rising Heat. And our last car, the 1978 Dodge Little Red Express Truck. That's all, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that we got out of the Hot Wheels 50 pack.